In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively share a folder from your Google Drive with just a few simple steps, whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing important files, or just wanting to make some documents accessible to others. Knowing how to manage your sharing settings is essential. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open up your Google Drive. If you're already signed in, you can easily access it from your Google Apps by clicking on the grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps menu, and selecting Drive. Alternatively, you can simply type drive.google.com into your browser's search bar. Once you're in Google Drive, the next step is to find the folder you wish to share. You can locate it by scrolling through your list of files or using the search bar for quicker access. When you found the appropriate folder, hover over it with your mouse to reveal some additional options. Next, you'll give that folder a right click. This will bring up a menu with several choices, but what you're interested in here is the Get Link option. Click on it and you'll find yourself looking at a new menu where you'll configure the sharing settings. This step is important as you can control who has access to your folder. Under the General Access section, you have two main choices. The first option is restricted, which limits access only to people you invite. This is the perfect choice if you're dealing with sensitive information or want to keep your files private, sharing them only with specific individuals. The second option is anyone with the link. By selecting this, you allow anyone who has the link to access your folder. This is a great choice if you're sharing non-sensitive information with a large group or making resources publicly available. Once you've decided on who can access the folder, it's time to select the level of access they'll have. You have three permissions to choose from: viewer, commenter, and editor. If you choose viewer, they can only see files without making any changes. The commenter option allows people to add comments to documents inside the folder, which is handy for feedback purposes. Lastly, editor grants others the ability to add or remove files suitable for collaborative projects. After you've settled on the right settings, click copy link. The link will be automatically copied to your clipboard, and from here you can paste it into an email, a chat window, or wherever you need to share it. Finally, hit done to confirm your choices, and there you have it. Your folder is now shared according to your specified settings. Sharing files in Google Drive can be incredibly useful for both professional and personal use, and with these steps, you can ensure your information is shared accurately and securely. Happy sharing!